What's good? Dino here. This will mark my first video I upload to YouTube. It's just because I haven't figured out a way to journal my trades. Holy shit. Stop buzzing my phone, bro. I haven't found a way to journal my trades, right? Effectively. Like I paid for this one thing. I started trading for some context. Got my trading notebook right here, so actually I could peep when I started trading. Um, Hold up. About about yeah, 3 months now. Solidly 3 months. Solid 3 months. So it's been interesting. I've been I started I started pretty slow. Uh I started doing I started with mostly like demo accounts and trading. I watched TJR a shit ton. Funny. Funny ass dude, but like low key fire information. Been using his strategy for a minute now. Recently I've been adapting my own, which I'm gonna go through today. It's not like a strategy, but it's more like a when do I see that myself making profits. I'm not profitable. Well, technically, I'm being profitable right now, but I'm in a funded account. Yeah, I haven't made shit yet. So I've probably blown two fundeds now. Two fundeds. Three. A couple of them were like one was the Apex one that was like I was like it was a 200K. I had made 6 grand and I had to make 15. So I was like doing pretty well, and then I just full ported because I was just like I was reading up on Apex. It's like they don't pay out, so or like they do, but the rules are too hard. So Sound. Nah, no thanks. So I full ported that shit, didn't work. Tops up account, I fully blew it, and I did one Alpha Futures account that I didn't blow, but I reset it because I didn't have that much capital. Now I'm in one. Got this account. The second, fucking first day just tanked 50K by the way, and then kind of pretty 50-50, and then recently I haven't been able to lose, but there's an issue. You see these big wins, like a big loss, big win, big win, big loss, whatever. Big win, whatever. But then, like last week, I made pretty much a K on this funded. But this is the only day when I have a full profit day because I'm risking. I want to be risking like 1% per trade, but as you can see, I trade way too many times. Like that's just too many times. I need to make it max 2 times. Cause like you go into here, bro. Going to this 86, what happened? Oh, you won five, or went down 450, then I went back up 550. Like, what is that? That's a whack day. Oh my God, what is this? I went up mad heavy, and then I went down because I got greedy after. Like, that's stupid. That's retarded, bro. But anyway, that's how the account's looking. I'm at 1.300k k profit. I mean, I'm a pretty slow dude so far trading wise. But I mean, if you look at my shit. Like I'm up 1,300, but I was up 900 last week, and that's with me going dabbling in the market when I shouldn't be and like over trading, and that's something I'm gonna fix. So really, it probably should be higher, but I'm speeding up. I was slow, like as you can see, da 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 da, da, and then recently, we've been picking up a little bit of speed. So whatever. I think. Oh, here's my stats. Care to see for myself? Whatever. Uh, oh, this. Okay, nah, this is not. All right, never mind. That's whack. Anyway, this is a trade summary. Mostly, I'm just gonna be recording my trades so I can watch them myself when I go to the gym, type shit. Like, you work out, hop on my incline treadmill, put my own video on, hear myself talk, and then just like see where I fucked up. Because there's always something I could do better. Always, always, always. Anyway, I usually start by marking out 4 hour hourly, analyze order flow, see where that bitch is trying to go. There's news, bombings. So this Monday I was not. I was trying to be only if something like really sparked my eye. I was about to trade, but I always say that and then I'm getting in a trade anyway. I will say I'm pretty good at adjusting, but like I just be mad horny to just get in a trade, bro. I love seeing that P&L. Anyway, anyway, I marked out just for this was mostly I haven't had one of these in a while, but this was mostly just a session high and low type of day, because usually price has been fucking blowing up. around the place and not respecting like level. Like look at this, the fuck is that? Not respecting sessions as much. But this time we had New York pre-market consolidated within London session high and low, so we got to see some nice action today. So market open. I start watching the market at 9:30. I wake up at 9, have my breakfast, start watching breakfast thing at 9:30. Then 9:50, I trade the macro from 9:50 to 10:30. That's the window I let myself trade. TJR taught me that. Whatever. Like, yeah, listen, I'll do what he says. I guess I'm a good boy for that. Fuck it. Anyway, market opens today, fucking plummets, but we sweep out London low. We ask why I may have this little trend line drawn here, because on the S&P we did not take that shit out. This is my favorite confluence in the game, bro. The most money I make, or the best trades that I've taken, I don't make any money, is from SMTs. Like this is fucking delicious right here, and it's always on the 5 minute. London low to basically what we just failed to sweep on ES, we swept on Nasdaq. So that's an easy SMT divergence. I'm gonna make this shit so much shorter. This is just my first one. SMT divergence. So I like to trade the lagging, or not the lagging, this one, because I feel like I first learned, at least watching TJ's video, the lagging one. Yeah, you're gonna want to do the lagging because you might have more space to make some profits, and you'll just know that a reversal is coming versus ES is already making moves. Like this Diddy candle upwards, that shit broke 5 minute structure already. This candle, not even close, right? It took another two more on Nasdaq to actually break structure to the upside on the 5 minute, which is kind of interesting. So I like to trade the leading. So immediately I'm looking, I'm monitoring, what do we got here? Okay, I saw the next candle form. Whoa, Diddy candle, we broke structure. I should have entered right here, right here. One of my entry models is SMT and either inverse fair value gap, which is the best one, or just the break of structure. And I actually got that. I should have entered right there, targeted London low. The only issue is I don't know where I would put my stop. Probably around this fair value gap. I should have done something like this. No, something like this, and then maybe at the bottom of this fair value gap or slightly below it at the candle, and that shit would have fucking greened, 15 minutes later, right? I didn't do that, unfortunately. Um, I went into but what I did do is I broke structure, and I was like, okay, I'm willing to gut in this trade if I can find some sort of entry on the 1 minute. Start monitoring the 1 minute on ES. No fair value gap here. No really dips into it. No gaps. We're just fucking choppy as shit. Then that shit blows up. No gaps. We finally got a fair value gap here, right near the low. Now, right near the London high. That blue line is London high. So here's the thing. All my winning trades recently have been near levels of take profit because this is the leading index. When price is this close to a level that has so much pull as session highs, like London high, it almost feels like price, and there's no matter what, it's gonna hit it. Now it might hit your fucking stop loss in the process, but that shit's gonna cash London high. So recently, bro, I have been getting in the 1 minute, taking off fair value gaps, taking off a bullish closer, fucking entering that bitch and targeting. I obviously, as you can see, I did not do that here. I just did not do that. That was just fucking. I did not do that. I just entered because I got FOMO because I was like, fuck, we're so close, we might just rip upwards. Turns out it fucking was perfect, and I could have entered right here, gotten a much better entry. Um, but whatever. I still made money on this trade. So if we go back to my shit today, that is the first thing I did. I got into some trade and I got out early. I don't know, some retarded shit. But this was a $100 trade. I don't know why I risked so low. Probably because I didn't have like a confluence because I got in up here. I didn't get in when I should have. I got in late, but I made $100 on there. So as that's going on, as we hit London high, I switched over to Nasdaq. Why? Because I'm a greedy motherfucker. So I was like, okay, well we hit one high here, we should hit the other one on the other index. So fuck it. So here's what I did. This line is the fuck part, right? So I entered off what the fuck did I enter off here? Oh, I entered off here. 1 minute, fair value gap, filled, blue ass candle. I entered off this Diddy ass candle. And I just entered because I got whatever. It hit my thing, targeted London high. This looks fire. Like this is like a nice setup. This is the best setup I got. Here's my issue. I was up profit, right? As I was up profit, this candle happened and it had me down here, and I was up so much profit. Or actually, no, sorry, it was this candle, but like that's not enough to get me. It was this candle. We were down here in the negative. And the issue with this candle is that I thought that since we had swept, go back to the 5 minute, since we had swept London high on ES and not yet on NASDAQ, I thought there was a chance of another SMT, kind of like down here, but basically a reversed index. I thought we were going to get another SMT divergence. Because originally, this candle right here, after we took that shit out, that shit was black for a fucking minute. Like you can see all the way down here. It closed bullish last minute. So I'm in that trade. There's a minute 30 left on the 5 minute candle. And I'm looking on the 5 minute, and it's this fucking candle right here, bro. This shit, which was literally bullish or bearish all the way down here. It looked like I drew this line. I'm like, fuck, SMT. I about to go lower, and I'm about to full port NASDAQ lows. Fuck, whatever. Reverse my position. That scared the shit out of me. Issue is I got out of the trade before that candle even closed. I would have made $100 plus. I think it was four. I still went low risk. I didn't even risk like a hell of bones, bro. I was to win 450, so I risked probably like 300, bro. $340. Like I should be risking 500 because it's a 50K account. But I don't listen to myself because I get nervous. This account right here, I should have made 450 plus the 100. I would have made 550 today. Fucking goon. Done. We're done. We're out. We're out of the markets. Easy fucking bread. Nope. I saw that shit. I got the fuck out. That's why I made $67 because I cashed out right here. Let's go back on NASCrack. Bro, I hate that it just doesn't auto set to where I'm at. Idiot, idiot, idiot. And I got out like right here when it's going back up for $67. Wow, go me, bro. That's super retarded. And then of course it's fucking smashes London high after would have been done with the market for the day. And then what do I decide to do? I'm up $160, right? I'm at my account's more than halfway through. I'm at 1557. Oh my god, that's gas. I walk away, bro. I didn't hit my full. I didn't get all the money I wanted, but whatever. Nah, we don't do that. We fuck it up more. Fair value gap, whatever, entered. What the fuck was I targeting? It was targeting 5 minute highs. Like, I was getting down bad, but it was just ripping upwards. I wanted a piece. Fucking stopped out. And it was little losses. Like, I'm pretty good at minimizing risk even when I made, but like, there goes the profit that I made, and then I lost an extra $20. So I was negative $21 on the day when I should have been up 550. And it was a perfect setup. The SMT, the shit, the near the 1 minute fucking gabagoo. You know what I could have done if I was a fucking savant, bro? Peep this. SMT, enter on the 5 minute chart. Boom, bada bing, right here. We got two confluences, SMT, and we broke structure. And we made a fair value gap. Enter right there. Smash that. Put $500 on that. That's fucking money, bro. That's like 750 right there. Easy cash. Then we're right next to London low. What do we say? Holy shit, we filled the fair value gap, bullish thing. Fuck it. Let's re-enter for like $100. Double profit. Fucking printed on the day. Only trading on the lag on the index. And I'm fine with taking the NASDAQ high, but I also got to fucking trust it. And also, if it was an SMT and we did form an SMT on the 5 minute, I'm talking way too fast. I should have waited for the candle closure because what happened right after? Ripped upwards. Cash my take profit. $450. Nice setup. Great setup, right? Because bullish closer, fair value gap near another level that got hit another index. And it was like, if I was only looking at NASDAQ, I would take this trade right now. And if I didn't have context of ES because NASDAQ wants to hit London high too because that's how the market works. Fucking I should be taking max 1 to 2 trades because if it's 2 trades, I could potentially catch basically like this is like scalping because for the TJR it was the 5 minute break of structure inverse fair value gap, 5 minute retracement which just doesn't happen anymore, and then entry in the 1 minute. but there's no more retracements. Like price just either fucking it's either you get in or you fucking miss it. Like that's just how price goes now. But messed up today. Didn't lose a ton of money, so that's fine. Like the 5 minute model broke structure right here after sweeping that. Now what? Now we're looking for retracement. What retracement is here? What the fuck retracement is here at London High? Like using that strategy, which is it's a good one. I'm just asleep at the fucking wheel as I could be like in the 1 minute over here fucking printing or off my SMT entry and break structure or inverse for I got beautiful gas. Anyway, that's my trade recap. It was a beautiful setup and I'm so mad at myself for not cashing out. Or at least you go over here, you see on my fucking chart, you see 51,557. Walk away, bro. You're more than halfway. That's the farthest I've ever been. How do we end the day at? 51,37. Fuck. But it's fine. We learn, and it is what it is. But I'm basically just posting this shit so I can watch it when I'm bored or whatnot because I have not been journaling and I should be. But yeah, 3 months in, I'm gonna pass this funded hundos. I could say this and then the next day lose 500 bones and then the next day $500, whatever. I'm passing this funded. It's gonna be a slow process. Doesn't matter. Last week it was $900 profit, but it was because I was doing Mickey Mouse shit. Like, I mean, we can go through this right now. Like, tell me what the fuck is this? I made $52 in the day. Wow, that's sick. Why? I made 550, and what the fuck did I do after that? Shit myself, shit myself, shit myself, shit myself. Why? Greed. Easy. This day, oh my god, this looks dope. Why are you showing this day? Plus 650, minus 50. Okay, that was probably fine. And then I got greedy. Instead of 650, 450. That's what you get. What happened here? Bang, 125 profit, bang, in the red, and then clutch up, I guess. Monday, brick, winning trade. Like, cash, but like, should have been way more cash. Brick, 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 brick. I'd rather just have, like, look at that, bro. That's my only full green day I have. Or right here. Oh, wow, that's fucking beautiful. But yeah, apparently Wednesdays, oh my, Wednesdays I print bones. Holy shit. Mondays I literally get rinsed. Um, Fridays too, I guess. Anyway, that's my trading recap today. Fuck, June 23rd. Wow, tweaking. That's it. I got a fucking phone as a webcam. Shit's super retarded. Um, yeah, bro. We got a lot to improve on. I got trading rules. I got printed my shit out. Like I'm locked in, but it's just like, and I'm honestly like I'm especially near these levels. This 1 minute fair value gap candle closure entry is working out really, really, really good. There also needs to be a lot of discipline with that. And risk management, as hard as it is to say, I like a lot of people struggle with it, like full porting shit. I don't fucking put enough in. I don't trust myself enough, even though my shit works. And this funded account so far will tell you I'm pretty profitable. Just looking at this, like wow, it's more green than red. But I'm not gonna believe that until I get a payout. So yeah. Hopefully I can do that in the next like month or something. We'll see. I don't fucking know. I probably only make a couple more of these videos here because I'll be busy later in July. But yeah, bro. That's yeah. Recap number one.